Update, not an April Fool's joke. I have been, for the loyal 5 viewers of this series so far, I have been working on college stuff. I have found the college that I'm going to. I'm very excited. I will be in another dorm room. In the next few months, I'll be recording from there. But we do have our stuff. We have the power supply unit, which I need to fix because there is an error with the power supply. I'll actually show you this because I'm not going to edit this video. The coil came off. Coil. And my soldering skills aren't really good right now, or I just have a bad solder iron. So, what does this mean? I am ordering some new stuff, and I will need to experiment with soldering, and I don't think it's relearning how to solder. I think buy cheap, buy twice, and I bought the cheapest soldering iron. Get this, I bought a soldering iron, solder, tin. I bought, or it came with some wires. It came with little wire cutters, very cheap ones that don't really do anything. Not actual crimpers. I have little tweezers. It came with a big bag, a multimeter, 2 little multimeter sticks, and something else. Oh, and the stand, which is made from metal, all for $20. And I think it doesn't get hot enough. I don't think it goes to 400 Celsius. Or the solder is really bad. And I think it's the solder because I've had one of those cheap soldering irons before, but I think I had better solder and it melted better. I will need to experiment more. And yeah, so I have the power supply. I need to fix it. I have this thing, and I realized the day of where I got the variable. This is not this the step down. I realized the day I got it that this cool thing that cost an extra $15 is there. It's a little coil. At least this coil is properly soldered. It's very cool. Oh my gosh. That is very shiny solder. It's very beautiful. This thing that normally supports up to 5 amps, plus this, make availability for 15 amps. And my smart little poopy bear face looked at my power supply unit and realized, oh, you went cheap. First of all, you didn't buy from a good seller. There's some other better power supply units that I can buy. I bought from Cheap Chinese, and you smart cookie, you didn't buy 15 amp to go with your step down. You bought 10 amp. So 10 amp power supply unit, 15 amp step down. Smart man. I have a bag full of stuff for, look at this. This is my favorite thing. 80 by 80 by 20 millimeter. And just a ton of stuff that I'll need to sort through, but right now I can't really solder. So, and plus I'm busy with calculus, I'm busy with AP Lit, I'm busy with AP Human Geo, and I need to do college stuff because I want to get sorted. So, sort of. Oh, I got one of these cool, let's see. Okay, so, about 30 seconds it should start flashing green. It's like heart rate. But I got a little funny me. If I push down on my finger, see that gap? I bought size 11. My ring finger is size 9. I bought size 11 for my middle finger, and I realized it the day after I bought it, and I was like, okay, well, it's fine. My middle finger is considerably bigger. Thumb, if I yank it, it comes off. So, a little 4-minute update. Booyah. Till the next video.